In this video, let me show you how to make a motion clip in Cinema 4D, and then we will export that to After Effects in GLB file. This time we're starting inside Mixamo to get some animated characters. Choose your character from the pre-made presets and then choose which animation you want to download. And then after choosing what you need, just click download here and then make sure that everything is fine here and then click download. And then after downloading, you would get 2 or more FBXs, depends on how many animations did you download. And now let's open them inside Cinema. Let's click Ctrl O and open your FBXs. After opening your downloaded FBX, Ctrl A or select all of them in the object manager and then Alt G to group them. Let's name this salute, copy it, and let's paste it here in the other file. Let's group this missing gesture. Let's call it this, and now let's hide it and make sure that you've selected the first animation and hit to animate and then choose add motion clip. Click on it, remove the check button on this one, remove include animation from the original object, and then press OK. You will get this tag right here, and now we will repeat the same process with this animation. Click on it and then hit to animate and then add a motion clip and then press OK. Let's hide the second one and open the first one, and then let's press Shift F3. That's how we open our dope sheet. We will find all the animations in here. Let's extend this to around 150. And can you see this icon here? This is the motion mode, and this is where our motion clips are stored. Let's drag this motion source, the second one, and drop it here on the first one, and then merge between the two, something like this, and then press F8 to play it. And this is how you can merge between two motion clips. You just drag one on top of the other, something like this, and try not to extend the intersection too much, maybe around here. Let's view it, press F8. Yeah, that looks nice. And now let's export this as a GLB. Add to file and then export and then GLTF or GLB. Press on this button here. Make sure that you've selected the skin and pick animation. That's how we can get the animation inside After Effects when we import the GLB. Then press OK. And now let's go to the After Effects. We're gonna start by making a new composition, something like this. Let's make sure that we have our renderer as the advanced 3D, and then press OK. And now double click to import your GLB and then drag and drop it into your timeline. You'll get this pop-up window with the basic and the advanced. We will leave it as it is for now and then press OK. And now this is our character, as you can see. Down here in the timeline, let's click on this arrow and then choose animation options, and under name you would find our nameless animation. Choose it. We will get the animation on our timeline like this. Let's review it. Press play. Yep, that's it. And now let's add some lights and shadows. I'll start by importing an HDRI image. I got one from Bully Haven, and then I'll drag and drop it into my timeline and then I'll hide it. Now let's add a solid as our shadow catcher. I'll press Ctrl Y and then press OK. Then I'll make it a 3D object, and around here in the views, choose a 4 views, and then rotate your solid object something like this. Let's put 90 degrees, and then move it near the foot of the character, and let's make the size a bit larger, around 300. And now let's go back to a one view, and then here in the timeline, right click new, and then choose light. Make sure the light type is environment, and we have the cast shadows checked, and then press OK. Immediately we see some shadows, but that's not what we need. We need to choose our HDRI image. From this arrow near the environment light, under light options, you would find source. Choose your HDRI image. You will get something like this. Press C. Let's rotate around it. If you click on the C one more time, you would change it something like this. This is the pen. This is for the zoom, and the other one, this one is for the rotation. Let's go back to the 4 views, and let's make sure that our solid object is near the foot of the character. Let's go back to the one view, and then press C to rotate. And now we need to fix the shadows. If we play it like this, super slow, but let's press Ctrl K and then hit to the 3D renderers, and then choose options. Make sure that you have your resolution at double. The casting box size, if we increase it to something like fit the scene, let's reduce the render quality to check what is going to happen, something like 10. Press OK, and then OK, and then try to review it. You can see what's happening. So again, Ctrl K, 3D renderers, options, and then let's reduce the custom box size to around 150, and let's increase the render quality to around 150. And press OK, and then another OK, and let's review it. Yeah, something like that. And this is how you can export GLBs from Cinema 4D and port them to After Effects, and then fix the shadow issues.